Are you sure Mr. McMahon's okay with this?
Okay, go on. It's his idea.
Yeah.
He loves us. You know what? Go leave the whole thing here. Ooh. Hey, can you believe this? Vince McMahon's own personal plane. Hey, and this thing has got everything. I know. I was playing with the buttons before. I was just in the bathroom. That thing's got like golden faucet handles and like a gold toilet seat. It's ridiculous. Oh, I wouldn't go in there if I was you. You did it again, didn't you? Too much protein, man. That's embarrassing. What, suppose a plane like this costs? Can't be cheap, that's for sure. This thing's got, like, everything. Oh, I mean, it's crazy. It's got a shower back there, full bath. This thing turns into a bed. How do you know? Me and the chick went... Never mind. I mean, there's a big screen TV. It's got a full-blown entertainment system. I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. These seats are real leather, Sean. I felt mine. It's Naga. Well, you would know. You're an avid hunter, I guess. Big on Naga. Naga's your specialty. Hey, Chief. What's a plane like this cost, anyway? $30 million. Oofa. Oofa. $30 million. By the way, I think we need somebody to check on Angela. Can you believe Vince McMahon spent $30 million on this airplane? We better not mess anything up, Sean. He'll be really mad. Hey, I'm getting a little full. You mind if we get something to wash this down with? Sure, I saw some drinks up front. I think they had champagne. Yeah. Check it out. Well, you know I don't drink. I know you don't, but just once. You know what I'm saying? Hey, go! Jeez, what you did? You scratched the paint. You have any idea how much a paint job on a plane like this costs? As a matter of fact, I don't. You better get out of here. Vince is going to be mad. Jeez. You suppose he's going to notice the scratch? You know, Sean, somehow... I don't even think he's going to notice. It's really nice work. You too.